guys, welcome back. We usually post every Monday. We're running a little bit behind because half-term activities, we went away camping.
Trail running, doing all the outdoor activities, open water swimming.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're a little bit behind.
Yeah. You've caught us in Projects of the Week right now. We're converting this old MAME cabinet from a massive old PC inside to a little Raspberry Pi. So that's Project of the Week. It's going well, which is code word for we've broken it 3 times. But we're learning.
Hence, even more of a delay on our weekly video. Also, we've not done retro games, so if you have any suggestions, it would really help us out. Put it in the comments down below.
Preferably something MAME that we can do on our MAME machine.
So that would be really useful.
And so this video should be out
Wednesday, Thursday.
Thursday.
I mean,
Wednesday's fireworks, isn't it?
Wednesday's
Bonfire night.
fireworks. Bonfire night. So, I mean, if you're watching from outside the UK, you might not know what it is. I thought everyone knew. It's just we celebrate Guy Fawkes, him and his friends. A guy
in
many years ago.
1605.
Yeah, tried to set fire to
the House of the Parliament.
Yeah.
We've got a little rhyme. Remember the 5th of November. Is it gunpowder treason and plot or?
I think so, something like that. Yeah. And
we hold a grudge, don't we? 420 years later.
Yeah, the British seem to hold a grudge very, very strongly, and we light a big bonfire. Sometimes throwing in a little statue of him, and we sell fireworks, which is actually it's really fun. It's a fun day out. It's very cold, very wet, but it's fine. Anyways, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your week. Well, half a week, hopefully. And we shall see you. Oh, like and subscribe. Well, subscribe so you don't miss the video coming out.
And like.
And like, please. It does help us out. I think that's everything.
Yeah, so we'll see you
then
in our stream.